does a 4-season sunroom add legitimate value to my house?
Excellent question. And essentially what you end up getting is if you're building a seasonal room or a greenhouse per se or something like that, generally those don't get counted as living space. And so, say you have an average home, 2,000 square feet, you had a 200 square foot greenhouse or seasonal room at the back, you still have a 2,000 square foot home. Now, if that room was a year-round true addition, sunroom or solarium addition that you can use 365 days a year, that 2,000 square foot home now just became a 2,200 square foot home. So when you're talking about values and usability and marketing your home, you're just marketing a much bigger home than what you had previously.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.